So we can wait another 5 minutes for everyone to join, and then we can start.
All right. And thanks a lot, guys, for coming in. I know it's very early for you guys, 8 o'clock, right? It's too early. I know that. Thank you so much.
Raj sir is also missing.
Yeah, waiting for us.
So while we are waiting for Raj sir, so who is carrying PE over the weekend?
No one, I think.
No one.
Especially
So
after that much wild move.
on Thursday, yeah. Sorry, Wednesday.
Yes, yes.
Okay, okay. So no one is carrying any questions, be it in index or
I,
stock.
I, I had 3400 August month, but sold it on yep, not Saturday.
Okay, okay.
Yep, on Wednesday. Sold it on Wednesday. I missed it. I think
Wednesday
we
was
are going
crazy,
down today.
right? 35,800 P, I believe, from 20 it went to 330 something. Like,
Yeah, yeah.
yeah.
I missed the whole rally on that. Particular at that time, I has entered my exam.
Oh, okay, okay, bro. Even I've been not trading much. Like, when I suddenly feel like I have time for lunch or something, then I'll just quickly see if I can make something. That's all. Besides that, I'm not even looking at any charts or something. Not even looking at anything. So that's why I'm not even active also these days. So probably I think I will start back trading from September onwards. Let's see.
Okay.
Arvind bro, thank you so much for the wishes. Alin, Ria, thanks ma'am. Sushil bro, thank you so much. Kapil bro, every day you like to start a day with flowers, huh? Like Chacha Nehru, huh? Rose guy.
That's flower also with love
Yes, bro, you are always
for
full of
everyone.
love. You
He
are
used to go to play badminton every day around 4 a.m. So he used to pick from their park.
okay, okay. Nice, nice.
Yeah. So is here. Yep. Yeah. Here now. Sir is here now. Hello, Raj sir.
Sarji.
हेलो दिनेश भाई.
Hi, sir.
हाय सर.
Thank you.
हाय.
Thank you,
कैसे
sir.
हो
You're,
सर?
मैं बहुत बढ़िया सर. आज दिन अच्छा दिन या
बहुत अच्छा दिन है. बहुत
12
अच्छा दिन है.
12 घंटे तुम्हारा कॉल से शुरू करो मेरा बर्थडे कंटिन्यू करे सो कंप्लीट ब्रेकआउट सिंस 12 o'clock sir non stop sir.
It was sideways market since last night. Now it is a breakout.
So 12 from 12 itself it is super breakout sir, it is a multi-year breakout sir. Yearly breakout.
It is like 2020 match, 20 day today, and today one more surprise to our group. Uh, Ashish will tell at the end.
Okay sir, okay sir. You guys all right. Thank you so much. You guys all made me look very like 10 years younger, making me to go and celebrate the day and all those things. You're taking time, to send messages. Raj sir, Ashish bro, and all right. Many people, Kapil bro, Parvinder bro, every one of you guys actually like sending video wishes, taking time to edit, and I know it's a long process. So thanks, guys. It shows that the amount of love and support you guys have for us. So really appreciate it, guys. And coming up early, so sweet, guys. I mean, like I have no words to say. Yesterday, I kept replying, messages keep coming, and Raj sir is giving me like every minute candle, like every minute green candle. Finding pictures and all those things, like making me to relive those memories. It's very nice. It's very sweet of you guys. After many years, actually, I feel like it's my birthday. For the past few years, see, when we grow older, right, we feel that it's just another day. And today, from my heart, I feel like no, today is my day. I want to celebrate. So that's how I felt. And thank you so much, guys, for making it very special. Very special.
Thank you.
Sir, how's my background, sir? Party mode.
Yeah, very nice, sir. आशीष ब्रो
Yes, sir.
हाँ स्टार्ट करिए आप बोलिए यार किसने बोलना है तो बोल लेंगे 2 मिनट के लिए कोई
Yeah, sir, we can start. किसी को बोलना है कुछ? Anyone want to say anything? Then we can start. Sir, I think everyone wishes Dinesh bro. We can start now. Thank you, Dinesh bro, for joining. Thank you everyone for joining early.
आशीष भाई
Yes, sir.
हाँ अपूर्वा बोल लेंगे थोड़ा बहुत
Yeah, ma'am. Apurva ma'am, you here?
हेलो हाँ सर, मैंने बोला आप आने से पहले हमने दिनेश सर से बात कर ली.
अच्छा थैंक यू मुझे नहीं मालूम था कोई बात नहीं अच्छी बात है चलो कोई बात नहीं
Yeah, so we can start. So
Yes, sir.
Dinesh bro, we have a little surprise for you. We created this surprise without removing you from the group.
It's very hard. It would be very hard. Thank you so
So we
much.
reached everyone. Thank you, Parvinder bro. He reached to everyone DM. He keep asking them to send the video, and he helps me all the processes. Thank you, Parvinder bro. Thank you so much.
Welcome, Ashish. We are welcome.
Yeah. So everyone, please mute yourself. I'm going to start the video, and let's enjoy the next 20 or 30 minutes with us by celebrating the.
Danish bro, one request.
Yes.
You need to reply everyone in Hindi today.
अच्छा.
Yeah.
धन्यवाद.
Yes.
great idea Parvinder great idea बढ़िया idea है
Yes. No English word today.
I think why not I reply in Tamil and Telugu? So, that would be, guys.
No.
Sure,
It will be like gap up opening for all of us if you reply in Tamil.
Definitely. I'll do that. I'll try to put all the languages I know. I'll try.
instead of gap up opening I will think that my net connection is dropped so okay Ashish bro
Yeah, everyone can see my screen.
Yes, bro.
Yeah. So let me start.
The volume. Volume is a bit low, bro.
आशीष भाई वॉल्यूम बहुत कम है
Yeah, sir, it will increase when.
अच्छा मतलब जैसे चार्ट बढ़ेगा वैसे वो इंक्रीज होता जाएगा
Yeah, sir.
डीजे वाले बाबू गाना बजाओ, रसमलाई रसगुल्ले केक सब ले आओ, क्योंकि आज बर्थडे है एसजी फाउंडर का, सो धूमधाम से मनाओ. विश यू मेनी मेनी हैप्पी रिटर्न्स ऑफ द डे दिनेश ब्रो. गणपति बप्पा ऑलवेज ब्लेस यू. थैंक यू फॉर एवरीथिंग सर.
Thank Thank you, Apurva ma'am. The cake looks very yummy. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Birthday Dinesh Mama.
Wow. Thank you so much.
Happy
cutie pies.
birthday Dinesh Mama.
Oh, thank you guys.
Happy birthday, Dinesh, bro. Thank you.
ma'am.
Thank you
so
for
much.
everything.
Thank you. Thanks, ma'am.
Hi Dinesh bro, Aman K Papa, wish you a very very happy birthday. God bless you and always be with you. You are a brand ambassador of SG Logic. You always inspire and motivate us to learn SG levels and to trade with SG Logic. And thanks a lot for doing that always. Once again, wish you a very happy birthday. Stay safe. Take care.
Thank you, bro. Thank you. Ashish bro, can you just pause 1 second?
Hi there, bro. This is Satya Sai.
Yes, bro.
Just 1 second. 1 second.
Yep. So that's now it's loud and clear, right? ना?
क्या हो गया?
अभी आवाज सही है ना वीडियो का?
हाँ अभी आवाज सही है. स्टार्टिंग में जब मुझे आ रहा नहीं था ना.
Sorry, bro. Actually, I called my wife. She's getting ready, so I don't think she'll be on camera, but she's going to watch the video. Please.
Yep. Okay. Yep. Starting now again. Yeah.
आशीष भाई क्या करेंगे? वापस से स्टार्ट कर लो. जो बच्चों ने बताया ना मामा जी, तो दिनेश नाउ मामा जी and अमन के पापा. So
yes, sir. Dinesh bro, can we start from beginning?
Sure.
Yeah.
Sorry, guys, I'm taking additional time from you. Wife's photography.
Directed by me.
Say hi.
डीजे वाले बाबू गाना बजाओ, रसमलाई रसगुल्ले केक सब ले आओ, क्योंकि आज बर्थडे है एसजी फाउंडर का, सो धूमधाम से मनाओ. विश यू मेनी मेनी हैप्पी रिटर्न्स ऑफ द डे दिनेश ब्रो. गणपति बप्पा ऑलवेज ब्लेस यू. थैंक यू फॉर एवरीथिंग सर.
आशीष पॉज करना वीडियो. हाँ दिनेश भाई रिप्लाई.
Thank you so much, Apurva ma'am. Thanks a lot for the wishes. Thank you so much.
हिंदी में.
वेलकम सर.
बहुत बढ़िया आपके विशेस में मेरा दिल लपटप जाएगा, हो जाएगा. Thank you ma'am.
Now मामा जी.
Mama ji, so
Dinesh Mama.
Thank you so much, sweetheart.
Happy birthday Dinesh Mama.
Thank you so much.
Happy birthday, Dinesh, bro. Thank you for everything.
Thanks a lot, Priya ma'am. Thank you so much. Your kids are so sweet and lovely. Thanks a lot, ma'am. Thanks.
Priya mom is sister. Now Raksha Bandhan is coming.
Okay. My hands are empty. You know, all it's available.
Share your address, bro. I'll send Rakhi.
Oh,
Yeah.
so sweet. Thanks.
Ashiva is next.
Hi Dinesh bro, Aman K Papa, wish you a very very happy birthday. God bless you and always be with you. You are a brand ambassador of SG Logic. You always inspire and motivate us to learn SG levels and to trade with SG Logic. And thanks a lot for doing that always. Once again, wish you a very happy birthday. Stay safe. Take care.
Dinesh bro, your brand ambassador message.
Sarji.
You are brand ambassador.
Sir.
Need a message.
All thanks to you, sir. Ambassador, anything we would like to promote, right? It needs to have a very good quality content, meaning, purpose. That's what is important, sir. Then the rest all will follow through. So what happened here is the same thing, sir. The value was there, and the rest all it's just follow through, sir. Thank you so much, bro.
Ashish bhai.
Hi Dev bro, this is Satya Sai.
Vanakkam.
First of all, I would like to thank you for your priceless efforts to build a strong SG Logic family. Second, I wish you many more happy returns of the day. Keep it up.
Thanks. Satyasai அண்ணா ரொம்ப ரொம்ப நன்றி ரொம்ப ரொம்ப நன்றி. Thank you so much.
हमारा नेट बंद हो गया था.
Sorry sir.
आपने तमिल में बोला ना तो हमारा नेट we have dropped the net.
Drop the net. Okay. Yeah, I think Satyasai bro speaks Tamil, so that's why I replied in Tamil, because yesterday he sent in group right in Tamil. So yes sir. Anyways, yeah. Shukriya, बहुत शुक्रिया Satyasai ji.
आशीष जी.
Hi Dinesh bro, wishing you a very very happy birthday, and thanks for introducing me to the SG family. I still remember the day when we started talking about SG Logic, and thereafter your support at each stage, and now helping me to reach the stage where I am. Thanks a lot for that, and once again a very very happy birthday. Stay blessed.
Thanks a lot, Altaf bro. Wishing you more and more success in your flying career also. I hope I would be flying in the same flight where you're a pilot. So yes, thanks a lot for the wishes, bro, and keep going. And we want you to inspire more and more people, not just in trading, but also to fly high in all their dreams. Thanks a lot, bro. Thank you so much.
Altaf bhai is Neeraj Chopra of our team.
Wow, nice. Yeah, gold medalist.
He's looking his face and he's acting and very nicely trading, and very nice person. Altaf bhai, Neeraj Chopra.
Definitely, sir. No doubt, sir.
Thank you. Ashish ji.
Hi Danish bro, wish you many happy returns of the day. SG Logic के प्रमोटर आपको जन्मदिन की बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं. थैंक्स टू यू राज सर एंड SG Logic टीम कि आपकी वजह से ही हम SG Logic परिवार से जुड़े, और इस पैंडेमिक सिचुएशन में एक नई आशा की किरण जो हमें मिली है वो सिर्फ आपकी बदौलत. थैंक यू वंस अगेन.
Thanks a lot, Shailu bro. बहुत शुक्रिया. Yes, so the pandemic, everything will pass by, but of course, whatever situation it may be, our SG Logic will definitely be guidance. Thanks a lot, bro, for the wishes. Thank you.
Dinesh bhai, now you are a promoter. When you are going to announce dividend?
Dividend depends on the whole company's performance, right? Consistent performance only, then dividend, sir. Not few people perform, few people quiet. No dividend. I want everyone to perform well, sir. Then the dividend will come. It's not quarterly dividend, sir. Sometimes we may even get daily dividend, weekly dividend also, if everyone is performing well.
Thank you, sir. Ashish sir.
Hey Danish bro, I hope you are doing good. SG Logic promoter को जन्मदिन की बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं. Many happy returns of the day.
Thanks a lot, bro. Really thanks a lot.
Hi, this is Arvind. This video is for my elder brother, Dinesh bro, Aman ke papa, SG level promoter, our best friend and our guide. I'm wishing you a very happy birthday to you. May this year filled with love, wealth, health, peace and prosperity in your life. आप जियो हजारों साल और साल के दिन हो 50,000. इसी तरह हमें गाइड करते रहें, SG लेवल के परिवार को बढ़ाते रहें. बहुत बड़ा करना है और इसी तरह सक्सेस और गेन करते हैं. थैंक यू.
Thanks a lot, Chota Bhai, Arvind bro. Thanks a lot. Thank you so much. When you started wishing, right, I thought you're going to do some rapping because you started in that way, right? So nice, yeah. Like Honey Singh, like a rap and rockstar. You'll be a rockstar also soon. I understand once your exams, everything gets cleared. When you put more focus, you're going to shine like anything, bro. Thank you so much, Chota Bhai, for the wishes. Thank you so much.
Hi Danny bro, wishing you a very happy and healthy birthday. Keep rocking and inspiring us. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Avdesh bro. Thanks for taking time. Thank you.
अ वेरी हैप्पी बर्थडे टू एसजी लॉजिक प्रमोटर दिनेश भैया को बहुत बर्थडे की बहुत सारी शुभकामनाएं। मैनी मैनी हैप्पी रिटर्न्स ऑफ द डे ब्रो। आप सिंगापुर में हो और हमारे से बहुत दूर हो, फिर भी आप एसजी लॉजिक के लॉजिक से हमको बहुत नियर ही दिखते हो। कभी ट्रेडिंग करते हैं तो आपका एसजी लॉजिक ही बहुत हेल्प करता है। थैंक यू फॉर दैट। थैंक यू, ऑल द बेस्ट।
Thank you so much, शुक्रिया बहुत शुक्रिया bro, thanks yeah. Distance में काफी दूर, but like what you said, SG Logic makes us very near. Thank you so much. I forgot a very beautiful dialogue from the movie Chalte Chalte. Was it Saif Ali Khan and Rani Mukherjee? I forgot. There was a tagline of that movie, we will meet again or something like that, wherever in the world, something like that. Or in Rab Ne Bana Di Jodi also they will be saying, right? Fir milenge chalte chalte, right? That means we will meet again, right?
वाह, रब ने बना दी जोड़ी।
I love that movie, sir. One of my favorite.
जोड़ी के साथ बैठे आप लोग वहाँ पर सिंगापुर में।
मेरा जोड़ी getting ready, sir.
Hi Dinesh bro, wish you many more happy returns of the day, and hats off to the service which you are doing along with the Rajendra sir, in helping the budding traders to earn more money without the paid service which many people do. And always, as I say, SG level rocks and you always rocks. Wish you many more happy returns of the day, Dinesh bro.
Santosh bro, ரொம்ப நன்றி. Thank you so much. Bhagat shukriya. Sishani, thanks a lot bro. I want you to be more active. I hope once you come out of your hectic office life, you will be more active. I see a lot of potential in you. I want you to guide many people in the group. I want you to be a mentor also. Thanks a lot bro for the wishes.
हेलो फ्रेंड्स, मेरा नाम विकास यादव है। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल पहले विश करना चाहूँगा मिस्टर दिनेश जी को, जिनका आज जन्मदिन है। विश मैनी रिटर्न्स ऑफ द दिनेश भाई के अमन के पापा।
Thanks a lot, Vikas bro. Thank you so much. Thanks a lot. Now I think I really need
Happy birthday to the promoter.
Now I'm saying that now I really need to know what is this Aman ke Papa. Everyone is saying that, right? So honestly, I don't know what exactly is the backstory and all. So I need to know to understand the depth meaning of this clearly. Yes, bro. Please go ahead.
SG Logic, many more happy returns of the day, Danish bro.
Hitesh bhai, thank you so much. Thanks. Bhagat shukriya. Thank you.
Hi Dinesh, wish you a happy birthday. I'm very lucky that I found SG family. Being a promoter, you and team are doing a great job. Wish you all the happiness. I can say SG Logic is the best one. Thanks all. Thanks Dinesh. Bye bye.
Thank you so much, Sushil bhai. Thank you so much, Sushil bhai. I think so. Even though I'm very happy to hear from you guys that promoter and all, I would want to say that I'm more like a well-wisher than a promoter. You guys are the real promoter. Like you go talk about SG Logic via tweets or to your family, friends and all, right? You guys are the real promoter. I am more like a well-wisher only. Thanks guys. Thanks.
हाय धनुष भैया, एसजी लॉजिक के प्रमोटर अमन के बापूजी, विशिंग यू अ वेरी हैप्पी बर्थडे।
Thank you so much, Ashutosh bro. Finally, I can put a face to your voice. Thanks a lot.
Many happy returns of the day to the SG Logic promoter, Danish ji.
Durvas bro, thank you so much. Yeah.
Many more happy returns of the day, Danish bro, the promoter of SG Logic. Enjoy the day, have a blast.
Akshant bro, thank you so much. For a moment, I thought Bumrah is sending me message.
Hello Danish bro, many returns of the day to you, and we all want to say thank you for your efforts you had made for all of us, and a special thank you to Raj sir also, who has created this great team, and we hope that our team will grow day and night. Thank you again.
Thanks a lot, Parvinder bro. Thank you so much for all the wishes, for whatever you are doing in the group with many people, Kapil bro and all, right? Thank you so much. And I think I get your message when you mean day and night, right? So you also want 24/7 trading or like night trading also. Hope it comes true. Sir has already started the initiative, and there is already some talks after our tweet where you guys helped to promote it. So it was very nice. So let's see. Thanks a lot. Thanks.
Welcome, dear.
Hi, Aman ke Papa, Dinesh bro. Wishing you a Janabadina Sanskala. Just trying to wish you happy birthday in Malayalam. I'm not sure whether that's correct or not, but yeah, I want to wish you a very happy birthday on this day. May God bless you. You are doing like you're one fantastic person, and keep up that work that you're doing. Wish again happy birthday.
Sat Sri Akal Gurdeep Paji, thank you so much. Wishes, बहुत बढ़िया. Thank you so much. Shukriya. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Dinesh bro. Happy birthday.
Thanks. Bye.
Dear Dinesh sir, wish you happy birthday, many more happy returns of the day. आपको हम सबकी तरफ से बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद. आपने जो स्ट्रैटेजी बनाया उसको डेवलप किया है एसजी लेवल्स के हिसाब से, वो यूज़ करके हम सब ट्रेडिंग कर रहे हैं अभी. मैं तो बहुत नया ज्वाइन हुआ, लेकिन इधर ज्वाइन होने के बाद वेबिनार अटेंड करने के बाद राजेंद्र सर का क्लास सुनने के बाद ऐसे कन्विक्शन आ गया है. हम खुद सेल्फ कॉन्फिडेंस से कन्विक्शन से ट्रेडिंग कर सकता है, उसमें से कमा सकता है. ये सब अरेंज करने के लिए भगवान को मैं धन्यवाद बोल रहा हूँ. मेरे को आपके ग्रुप में ज्वाइन करवा दिया, आपने मेरे को जो मौका दिया हम सबको. आपको भगवान अच्छा करेगा, आपका फैमिलीज को अच्छा से रहेगा, खुश से रहेगा. धन्यवाद.
Thank you so much, Koti Babu Saab. बहुत sweet words. Very nice to hear all those things. So like what you said, I hope yes. So now you have the conviction and confidence about SG Logic. So now it's all about how you're going to implement that slowly and steadily to increase your gains and also to have wonderful health, wealth, and peace.
Happy birthday, Dinesh bro, the SG level promoter. Many happy returns of the day, Aman ke Papa. We need little Dinesh on your birthday celebration event.
Always little. Thank you so much, Kamil bro. Thank you so much. Thanks a lot. Thanks. My son's photo made me look like I'm younger. Yeah. Thanks.
Hi Dinesh bro, wishing you many happy returns of the day. Piranta Nal Valtukku. Can't express in words. Can't express gratitude in words for your dedication, your resilience. Because of you, we all able to communicate, we all able to join SG Logic and able to meet one of the greatest share market analysts, Mr. Rajendra Agarwal sir. Thank you. Wishing you many happy returns of the day once again. Have a good year coming up. Thank you. Bye.
Manjunath bhai, thank you so much. Bas shukriya. Mera dil laptop ho gaya. Thanks a lot. You are like another brother, right? We talk every day about many things. We trade together. We share a lot of things. You are a guide for many. Wow. You're a guide for many, and thanks a lot for all your wishes, bro. Words can't express. Thank you so much. Manjunath bro, and special thanks for putting it in Tamil. Pirandanal Nalvalthukal. Thank you. Romba nandri. Emrawat ji. Thank you. So this one, right? I like the wordings there, right? It's so special. Like mentioned.
Dinesh bro,
Sir?
Just one, Ashish bro, that slide up Prem Rawat ji about the life.
Yes, sir.
You have to read that once.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, sir. Just a minute, sir.
हाँ जी कैसे जो मेन मैसेज था वो तो किसने रीड किया नहीं, देखा रहेगा सबने, लेकिन दिनेश भाई ने रीड करना चाहिए। बहुत जबरदस्त मैसेज है उसके अंदर, वेरी ग्रेट मैसेज,
जबरदस्त मैसेज, कमाल मैसेज,
धमाल आदमी है दिनेश।
नहीं सर, पूरा पूरा आदमी कमाल है सर, एसजी परिवार से। Okay. You are an incredible gift that has come upon this earth. Open that gift and appreciate it. Thank you so much, Prem Rawat ji. I take it as a personal wishes from you through Raj sir. Thank you so much. This quote, right? It is really very special. So the moment I saw it yesterday in the group, right, I replied saying that yes, the gift may be yes, but any gift needs wrapping, right? The wrapping is you guys. You guys wrapped this person as a gift wonderfully and presented it very nicely so that it can be even appreciated as a gift, taken or considered as a gift. And for that, you guys are the main reason for all the wrapping, all the decorations and everything. Without that, a gift is not completed, it would be just an empty object only. So you guys made me a gift. Thank you so much, guys. Thanks a lot for all the messages, wishes. I honestly lost for words. Thank you is too little. So you guys are making me to work more harder and harder so that next birthday, probably like I said, we have to celebrate Ratsa's birthday. Hopefully, when things goes well in person as a one big family, and maybe for my next birthday, we need to have like a biggest web conference, like 1,000+ and all. Thank you guys for all the time. I'm feeling so lighter and so happier, after many days.
Yep, bro. One more special video for you.
Okay.
Yeah. Surprise to surprise.
Surprise of surprise. Thank you.
Happy birthday, Dinesh. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Dinesh. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Dinesh. Happy birthday.
One day Dinesh DM me about he is interested to know about the SG level, and called me he called me on VA call, WhatsApp call, and just we discussed some point. Then after he asked me why not you are doing the webinar on WhatsApp group. Then after 2-3 continuous days talking, Dinesh forced me to start a WhatsApp group and to take a webinar about the SG level logic and everything. And let us we will do once. If you like this, then we will continue. If not, if you don't like this, then we will cancel it. So we decided to take first free webinar, and then we take the first webinar, and that time near about 140 people make the registration, and 90 people was in the first webinar. And on that day I understand the value of the free webinar, and then at the time of the webinar, Dinesh created a WhatsApp group and immediately sent the link, and people joined, near about 60 people on the first WhatsApp group of this our SG Logic traders WhatsApp group. Then after our journey start, and the journey comes to this level. He is doing very hard work. Many times he is talking with the people and traders and guiding them about this SG level logic and how to trade with the SG level and everything. Every day we were talking half an hour in the morning about discussing the edge
All day
level
also.
and how to trade and how to talk with the people. Dinesh is really passionate with his work and he is doing his work more than 100%. Only because of Dinesh sir, we are creating this WhatsApp group and doing this all the things. Dinesh is a real director and promoter of this our SG Logic. Mr. Dinesh made everything possible for this SG Logic. Dinesh Bhai was working here about 16 to 18 hours. Despite his very important job, he was giving too much time to this our SG Logic understanding and teaching other peoples. His WhatsApp groups rules and regulations are very nice and he's doing very great job to control the WhatsApp group and every task and everything. Dinesh is real master to our SG Logic. मैंने तो सिर्फ SG Logic मीन्स SG लेवल और SG लेवल को कैलकुलेट किया है, लेकिन इसको जो प्रमोट और इसको जो बढ़ावा दिया है वो दिनेश सर ने दिया है. आई लाइक योर हिंदी वेरी मच दिनेश भाई. योर हिंदी इज वेरी नाइस एंड वेरी बेस्ट टू अंडरस्टैंड. सो I love your Hindi language, sir.
I love you,
For
sir.
this SG Logic, I was just a choreographer, but you are dancing very well and you are shining very well and everything is doing best of your understanding. So wish you many happy returns. Generally people celebrate birthday once in a year, but every day Dinesh and we talks about this new day, fresh day, and every day we wish everyone to a happy trading day. Many times we discuss about this very beautiful life, human life, and he likes everything likes, and his smile is very killing smile. I really learn many things from the Dinesh of the discipline, how to discipline the make the group. Dinesh always help me to make some PPT or some documents. Always he is giving me guidance that sir, we have to drop these sentences, we have to add these sentences, we have to add this word. So thank you Dinesh for helping me in each and every target and every work. Thank you Dinesh. When make some arrangement on my birthday, that was very great for me. This time this is for me to give more to you, so trying for my best, and it is nothing what you did on my birthday. So it is only maybe as per our trading language, it is not first part, it is only 33%, not 100%, but 33% what you did on my birthday. And so many happy returns of the day and happy birthday, Mr. Dinesh.
Happy birthday, Dinesh. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Dinesh. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Dinesh. Happy birthday.
Many happy returns of the day, Dinesh bhai. Wish you that all your dreams come true, and one day that I love AG. The word is from Singaporean. One day you will make it in India that I love you AG means I love you safeguard in the trading of this capital market. So Dinesh bhai, when you are sending this our birthday gift from your end, that everyone is looking for that t-shirt I love AG, the t-shirt which is very best. A simple song for you Dinesh bhai. तुम जियो हजारों साल, साल के दिन हो 50,000। तो मेनी हैप्पी रिटर्न्स ऑफ द डे। आपको जन्मदिन की बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं। सबसे मेन बात जो है कि आपके साथ शेयर करनी है, सबके साथ भी शेयर कर रहा हूँ कि अलग बात जो कहने जा रहा हूँ सबको कि नाउ इट इज टाइम टू वेरी गुड न्यूज़ फॉर एवरीवन दैट ऑन 20
आशिफ भाई आवाज कम आ रहा है बहुत।
Dinesh is marriage anniversary and his mummy papa's anniversary also on the same day. So in advance.
Sir, it's in the video, sir. This music is louder.
No, I can hear, bro.
Okay.
Now it is time to very good news for everyone that on 21st of August, Dinesh is marriage anniversary and his mummy papa's anniversary also on the same day. So in advance, happy anniversary to Dinesh and mummy daddy.
Anniversary, happy anniversary, happy anniversary, happy anniversary, happy anniversary.
On this day of birthday of our special director, special promoter, and everything of this our AG Logic, we are adding more 8 admins in our team to make it 20. So 20 August, 20 admin. One thing is very similar to me and Dinesh that we love kids. हम दोनों में बचपन है जो दिल में बचपन छुपा है हमारे पास में कि हमें वो चीज़ें अच्छी लगती है जो दिनेश को भी अच्छी लगती है, हमें भी अच्छी लगती है। तो I love you Dinesh, we both are same. Like SG, it is smart game of being a best friend like you.
Okay. So I shouldn't sit. I guess probably when something best comes, we will be giving standing ovation, right? So I'm giving standing ovation and respect everything, sir. Thank you so much, sir. Sir, I have no words. For a moment, actually, after watching everything, suddenly I started tearing a bit. I have no words, sir. I mean, you're so humble. You're like you did all the work, and you just don't want to take credit, and you just want to give it to me and the rest of the family, sir. No, sir. All the credit, everything goes to you only and everything. So, yes, it all started like the family, everything started with the webinar and everything. But still, I can really understand that you're so busy. See, it's not just about spending time also. While spending time, if you want to spend time for forming a community like this, personally, right, wealth wise, we need to have the mindset to accept I won't say loss, whatever things we would be missing out. So by doing so, you would want to focus on the group also, not on your trade. So you don't mind. It's okay that fine, I earned little today, I'm totally fine, and all those things. So last time I know that you were like trading busy in US account, also using demo. You wanted to start trading there also, but still, after all this community started, your focus and everything, right, has come into this community to form a bigger and bigger, sir. This is like a noble cause, sir. Not many would be doing it. 0.0001% people would be doing it in the pura dunia, sir. So I'm so happy that we are all part of that, sir. Thanks, sir. I mean, no words. I mean, this is more like if I compile all the wishes, right? If I try to play one wishes every day from you, just from you, sir, I think I can live for another 100 years. So one wishes. So already like too many messages, too many wishes, too much of effort, sir. Nothing, sir. What I did for your birthday is just like Sishya to Guru, a small one, sir. But Guru doing this to Sishya, I don't think so, sir. I mean, come on, like it's not too little, sir. I mean, it's too much, sir. Too much, sir. So whatever we are doing is too little. Of course, all these thing happens. Not you have the vision and everything, but it's fully backed up by our SG family, right? Whoever is attending, whoever has sent the messages but couldn't be able to attend due to early morning meetings and all. But still, sir, I mean, I have completely lost words. I it's like, but the whole video, right, I've been like genuinely smiling from the heart, like too much of fishes, too much of small things, it motivates. I remember when we sent you the birthday wishes for you, the compilation and everything, you said that this will push you, motivate you and keep you going for another 1 year or more. For me, I think this is more like whenever I feel down, whenever I feel that I need to be motivated and all those things, right, sir? This is going to be something that, okay, fine, I'm feeling a bit down, sad or depressed, okay, let me go and take a look at the people, the sweet messages from every one of the family. So it will push me harder and harder, sir. Yes, you did mention that I used to spend 16 to 20 hours and all those things. Yes, it was very strenuous, it was very tough initially, but then once we formed the community, right, and now it's all in safely in all the admin. So now 12 becomes 20, right? So this admin has completely lessened the burden. So if not, I remember I used to reply to every messages. Now these people are not even allowing me to reply to any messages, meaning in a good way that they are taking the effort on them and they are doing it on their own. Even 2 3 days back in our admin group also, I was a bit harsh, saying that only 2 or 3 admin are like doing their work and the rest are not doing. The reason why in the first place we took them admin is because we see that they have the mentorship qualities and all. So I'm someone, okay, excuses can be given once or twice but not all the times. Their contribution can be here and there, but we are also not expecting. So that's why sometimes I have to be strict. I use this opportunity to apologize to the admin also, but I've also noticed that once I did that, the participation of the admin in helping each other is a lot. So many people. I just don't want to name out 1 or 2 people now, but I know who it is, right? Everyone know who it is, like spending their personal time, whatever doing. I'll just mention one couple, bro, and Parvinder, bro, right? Raj sir used to tell me that, sir, you're doing a lot of work, sir. Then last 3 4 days back, I was talking to sir. I said, what I did is nothing, sir. Raj sir used to call me as Hanuman. I say, I am not the Hanuman, sir. Everyone out down here are Hanuman. Whatever you guys are doing, right, talking, hey, come on, just say, okay, give me a call. I will explain to you. No one would be doing that. It's like the specialty of our group is not just one people have that mindset. There are many people who are having that mindset, and I'm sure that in the future overall everyone will be having the same mindset, like, come on, let me call you, okay, I will help you. That's what we are trying to form. This one, right? No one would be able to do this, any group, right? Like, I am a part of, guys, let me tell you, I'm a part of at least more than 200 Telegram groups. I watch every message. I watch messages for information and knowledge. Whatever thing that is happening here, right, I have not seen in any group. I have not seen in any group. So for that we have to thank Raj sir for providing us the platform opportunities. Ashish, okay, 1 second. Okay, now
Bro, Manjun,
yeah,
Manchand.
I'm muted. So for I have to thank Raj sir, and I want to use this opportunity, right? Moving forward, it's all in safe hands now. So we have some bigger vision also. So hopefully before end of this year, everything gets launched, and we will have something bigger surprise for you. When this thing happen, we will have a webinar that's more like maybe a family celebration day also. Today we were discussing with Raj sir also on the same. Thanks guys for all the effort, all the time. You guys, no words, lots and lots of love, guys. And yes, about the SG, I love SG T-shirt. I am looking at few vendors, sir. Actually, it takes a little bit of effort. We need to see their work also. At the same time, the sizes. So I'm coming out with some format so that they can key in their sizes. I need to compile all, and I'm not sure whether it is possible to courier it to everyone one by one. So I need to send all those to one person. That one person has to help me to, like, dispatch it to other people. So that is why it's pending, but I'm on it. It's in the back of my mind. So definitely the surprise will be coming.
Dinesh bhai, just you are saying that you are not doing nothing. So if company make a product and no proper marketing, then there is no use of that product. So the HG level is a simple product, but to promote it, to make it to public, to make this webinar, to make this WhatsApp group, this is not simple, sir. Just I can't do these things alone. The need team, your promotion, your forcing me, and yesterday I have taken the screenshot of our DM chat also, but not able to put in the video, and everything I have taken the shots, and I will put in a group at evening. So you are passionate, and just you are only, I think, 1 year old in trading.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Not even 1 year yet. Not even 1 year.
So this kind of trader, we get the fresh trader, and who is very passionate and very disciplined trader. So only
You made
because
me
of the
disciplined, sir. You made me disciplined. You know how I was before, right? Sizing everything,
So
profit booking.
only because of you, sir, Dinesh sir, we can develop this WhatsApp group and more things, and tutoring this education, many things. Ashish Talreja, he is a very nice person. He's giving me many time support, blockchain support, website support, everything we are doing the study. Just yesterday discuss about the video and everything, and this video, my video is about 90 MB. So I'm not able to send on the WhatsApp. So he immediately sent me the Google link, and he within a 1 minute he teach me that how to do this. So we immediately sent to. So our team, Manjunath bro, CA, he is giving calculation and everything. Our company project report, and also many things that he's doing. So we are different kind of people. Sushil Banka is he's doing very best jobs, sir. In woman webinar, ladies webinar, he made all PPT.
Correct, sir. Those are wonderful, sir. Wonderful, sir. Very inspiring, sir.
So we are connecting people together, but everyone has a special quality. Look at the Apura ma'am. Apura ma'am is very nice. She did this all work SHG level in paper first day webinar.
Yes, sir.
And, Manjunath bro awarded Apura by the computer. So our team is developing, and the reason is only Dinesh bro. अगर आप नहीं होते तो ये कारवा आगे नहीं बढ़ता. तो ड्राइवर की जरूरत है, गाड़ी तो बन गई थी, लेकिन उसके लिए ड्राइवर की जरूरत थी. यू आर अ ड्राइवर, यू आर अ डायरेक्टर, यू आर अ प्रमोटर, और आप जैसे प्रमोट करते हो तो सब लोग इसे धीरे धीरे प्रमोट करोगे तो हर बंदे में एक दिनेश मिलेगा, हर एक में. एवरीवन विल बी द दिनेश.
Would be great, sir. Would be great, sir. I myself personally see many people in our group as my inspiration. So rather than people being Rajendra sir, rather than people being Dinesh bro or like other people, they want themselves to be as a role model example for the rest. So that is what we want to do, sir.
So,
I completely agree.
So that's why one day I tweet that be king yourself.
Yes.
So thank you everyone to attending this very special birthday event, and Dinesh bro, happy wedding anniversary in advance, and also give this wish to mommy and papa also.
Definitely, sir. I'm going to get the recording from Ashish bro later. Then I'm going to play it in my TV for them, sir. And I would want to personally thank Ashish bro, because I know the effort that would have been gone through behind this, because he was doing all these things for your birthday also. And he is someone who works 16 hours, his own thing, trade. He's super busy. Ashish bro, thank you so much, bro. Thanks a lot, bro. We share a lot of history behind with us. Like, you know, you are like Manjunath bro, you're also like a brother to me. So we share a lot of things. We talk a lot. We trade a lot together. Thanks a lot, Ashish bro. Manjunath bro, romba nandri, Manjunath bro.
Travel कर रहे. He's traveling now. His camera luckily on, and he's going outside.
Okay, sir.
Kapil Tanwar ji, Kapil Rajput.
Yes, sir.
Chacha Nehru, Rose boy.
आपका वीडियो नहीं आया.
मेरा वीडियो आया था ना सर, आशीष सर की तरफ से.
कैमरा ऑन कीजिए आपका.
Yeah, where is the video, bro?
Yes, hold on.
Thanks a lot for all the birthday wishes, anniversary wishes coming in the chat box. Everyone, Arvind bro, Alin ma'am, Sushil bro, Gurdeep bro, Arvind, Manjunath bro, Sandeep bro, Deepak bro, Haripriya ma'am, Ashish bro, Koti Babu sir, Apurva
आगे
ma'am,
दिनेश भाई, कपिल सर आगे देखो.
Sarji, how are you? Kapil
उनका
bro,
वीडियो.
you are one. No, we spoke to you. Sorry.
Dinesh, that video from Kapil sir yesterday night.
Very nice, sir. Very nice. Yeah. Who is that guy, by the way? Like, so much of Dinesh, and he also promised me that, he would wish me next year also, right?
He was Kapil, bro. He was Kapil, bro, in the props.
Oh, is it? With Mooch Wala and all, you couldn't hear that. Oh, bro. Thank you so much, bro. Thanks, bro.
आशीष भाई, आपका कैमरा ऑन कीजिए. क्या आशा?
सर एक्चुअली मैं पीसी में था सर, अभी सोए भी हुए हैं सर अभी.
बिजी अभी.
यस सर.
हाँ, तो अभी आपके शब्द सुनने बाकी सर हमें.
Okay, everyone, if possible, try to turn on the camera, but mute. Let me try to take a screenshot. All try, please help me to turn on the video, but you can mute. Yeah. Satya bro, ரொம்ப நன்றி. அரவிந்தர் bro,
நன்றி. பிறந்த நாள் வாழ்த்துக்கள்.
ரொம்ப நன்றி அண்ணா, ரொம்ப நன்றி அண்ணா. Vikram bro, I can see Vikram bro, Anish bro, Koti Babu sir. One second, command share. Okay. Where to get full view? Ashish bro, you can get all the views. After this, I could see only few only. Sandeep Tiwari bro, very nice. और गुरदीप bro, रनिंग हो गया. விக்ரம் bro,
தினேஷ் ப்ரோ, இனிய பிறந்தநாள் வாழ்த்துக்கள்.
ரொம்ப நன்றி மோகன் bro, ரொம்ப நன்றி.
கங்க்ராட்ஸ்.
நன்றி. Okay, sir. I think it's already too late. I mean, for me, it's okay, but market is going to open. People would be thinking where it is going to open. Anish bro, thank you.
I have one word. Special thanks to Raj sir.
Definitely.
Because such a great mentor, taking all the efforts, coordinating, and tolerating all our silly mistakes. Okay.
Yes.
That is one thing which I have to appreciate. I cannot be quiet. Because we make a lot of mistakes, but you are tolerating all mistakes of the members and taking them and guiding them. Thanks a lot, sir.
Sir, nothing mistake, sir. We are learning every day, so there is no chance of mistake and sorry. This is our learning and friendship. There is no mistake. There is just हम कभी खाना बनाते हैं, नमक कम ज्यादा हो गया तो that is not a mistake. It is going on.
फिर भी उसके लिए एक अलग का मेंटालिटी होना चाहिए, सर. That is what you are supporting us, taking us.
हिंदी में बोलते चलता है, सब कुछ चलता है.
Satya bro, actually it is true, so his tolerance wouldn't take it only like, when people make like, they keep on repeating, right? We have many conversations like this, once, twice it is fine and all those things. So we even argue between us. So I will completely say no, and all those things. But it takes a big heart to accept it. Okay, give it a chance. Okay, fine, let's see. And if it works out, he would be the first one to share it in front of everyone, even to say sorry also, even to appreciate and say thanks to everyone also. That's biggest quality, So rather than being a good trader, it's like, communicating with genuine goods whole, like Rajendra sir, right? It is making us to be a better person. That is what more important actually.
Yeah. So
Anish bro, are you working in government office full of files behind? I think you are.
No, it's a private office.
A private office. Okay. Arvind bro, Chota bhai. Kapil bro, full of smile only bro. Oh, आ गया क्या? Manjunath bhai, ऐसा पूरा
Many happy returns of the day.
Thank you so much, my dear bro. You are waiting for the position to open. I know you want to book your PE, which is nice. Thank you, bro. Wow, you see, pura full bhakt mode on. Bhakti on, full of all these things. Early morning itself. Huh?
Manjunath box is holding P.
Yeah. He was like yesterday. He was celebrating. Hopefully, don't worry. It's going to rock. All right, sir. I think it's 9 o'clock, right? I mean, let us give each other time. I just one last 30 seconds. I would really want to thank each and every one of you guys for taking this time.
Dinesh bhai, Alien ma'am not made the video. I think.
Alia ma'am, I couldn't see. Can you please talk, ma'am? Turn on the video if you don't mind.
Yeah. Very sorry, sir. I'm with my baby.
No
right
problem.
now. Yeah.
No, only if you're comfortable, ma'am. If not, no problem.
Now. Yeah. Okay.
Okay. Bro, क्या मंजुनाथ bro क्या पान से no you're like you're like are you eating something? Okay. Thanks a lot, sir. I think Ashish bro, probably we can wrap. Rajendra sir, once again, thank you so much, sir. Bowing. Oh my God, am I growing bald? No way. Okay, time for hair implantation.
So, okay, thank you everyone, and thank you Manjunath ji.
Thanks, guys. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you, Dinesh bro. Thank you, Dinesh bro, for giving us.
Oh, Alin ma'am, thank you so much. Baby is so cute. What's the name of the baby, ma'am? Sorry, I think
You are on mute, ma'am. You are on
no,
mute.
we can unmute, right? Okay, cannot.
We can't unmute.
Okay, now yes, ma'am. What is the baby's name?
Alvin.
Oh, okay. Alin is baby's name. Your name is Ria. Then.
My name is Mary, sir.
Okay. Very nice, ma'am. Thank you. God bless the baby. Thank you so much, ma'am. You know, he's the future SG Logic trader, ma'am. You have to train him from now onwards. Okay, so when he turns 18, you can open a DMAT and you can invest in multiple things.
Okay. Dinesh, happy birthday.
Thanks, ma'am.
Sorry, Apurva ji, for disappointing you. Due to my sickness, I couldn't send my video to Talreja brother and Apurva ji. Very sorry, Raj sir. I couldn't make it in the video.
कोई बात नहीं चलते हैं मैम.
No worries, ma'am. All good.
Okay.
It's good that
Thank
you
you,
are
sir.
here. So thank you for joining today.
Thank you for giving me a chance.
Yeah. Let's wait.
So I think Ashish, we have to complete.
Yeah, sir. It's 9 a.m. So thank you, Dinesh bro, for joining. I still remember. Yeah, bro. I still remember how we met on the group and how we joined first time on the webinar. And I'm with you from the batch 1.
Yes,
so,
bro. Yes.
Yep. Thank you, bro, for everything. Thank you so much, bro.
Thanks a lot, bro. Thanks everyone for all the wishes. Really, thank you so much. Thanks a lot.
So yeah, we can leave. Market is going to open.
Okay, guys. Good luck. Have a profitable day, profitable week, profitable year.
This is hourly candle completed 9 o'clock. Hourly candle completed. Position.
Sir, full breakouts are all-time high, sir. I think this will remain as all-time high forever. Need some huge positive news to break this, sir.
Thank you. Bye.
Thanks, guys. Thank you, guys, so much of love. Thanks. Have a good day, everyone. Bye-bye.
Okay. Thank you.
Bye, bro. Bye, sir.